Macroeconomics, it's all about understanding the big picture. We're talking about the behavior and performance of an entire economy.
Inflation, price levels, economic growth, national income, GDP, unemployment, these are the things we're interested in.
Macroeconomics looks at how the markets, businesses, consumers, and governments all come together. It's like a puzzle, fitting all the pieces to see how it all works. And you know what? It's not just theory, it's backed by quantitative models. So next time you hear about GDP or national output, remember, it's all part of the fascinating world of macroeconomics.